Yes, it's 18 days since I started here. And before coming here, I worked in India on leafy vegetables, diseases of leafy vegetables, and then came to the United States and did my PhD in Auburn University in Alabama, where I worked on peanut aflatoxins. And then I moved to Oregon State University, where I worked on diseases of Kentucky bluegrass, apples, pears. After that, I went to Texas A&M University, where I worked on rice diseases. So, but cranberry is really unique crop, and I'm really excited to be here. And thanks for entrusting me with this plant pathology responsibilities. And then for the past 18 days, I've been fortunate to go around and visit cranberry bogs and experience harvest, and collected 60 samples with the help of Crystal and Marty. So we have new safety hood and all the lab equipment ready, so I'm planning to start my work next week. And then in the meantime, I'm asking a ton of questions to Hillary and Marty about cranberry production and methodologies. So it reminds me of a movie in India which got released 4 years ago. A space scientist from another planet comes to to do some research, and then one big difference he notes is that we communicate by language here, and then in his planet they hold hands and the knowledge gets transferred between people. I really wish there is some kind of so I don't have that, so for now I'm relying on traditional communication and reading literature. So, and then I'm more interested in fruit rot disease, along with other diseases also. This, when I started studying plant pathology, they always taught us that in order for a disease to be associated with a fungi, virus, or bacteria, we have to prove certain postulates, like grind the inoculum or isolate the pathogen and spray it on different healthy plant, and we should be able to produce the same symptom. Then we can say this is the pathogen that caused this. But to make things more interesting, fruit rot is caused by 15 different fungi, not just one. So it was never proven, and because it's hard to prove those 15 pathogens on cranberry, their epidemiology or their ecology and how their infection process starts. So it's been there since early 1900s, since the domestication, 5 years into domestication of cranberry, this disease, and it's been a big challenge since then. And even today, it is one of the biggest challenges to the cranberry industry. So a lot of researchers worked on understanding what fungal flora exists in Wisconsin, Massachusetts, or New Jersey, or Washington. But nobody could actually point out what fungus is more important, out of these 15. Are they all really important, or only a couple of them more important, So I really want to understand that, and then that I believe that knowledge will have great impact in developing sustainable long-term solutions for this disease. So that's one thing, and I'm also interested in understanding the weather factors, how they affect this disease, because fruit rot is different every year. Year to year, the fruit rot incidence is different, and then weather factors really influence this disease, and fertilizers or stress influence this disease. So there is so much opportunity to explore, and then I believe that with my 5-year plan, which I hope to accomplish all this. And also
25-year plan.
That's my 5-year plan. So I have it on video, so I can't lie. So that's my 5-year plan. So yeah, and then me and Marty, we even went to wild bogs in Cape Cod National Seashore areas in Provincetown and Sandy Neck. And it is really interesting. Fruit rot is not so much in wild bogs compared to the domestic cultivated bogs. So I want to see what is causing that. Maybe the microflora in the cranberry fruit that are contributing to this tolerance or resistance. So I'm interested in endophytes and diversity.
Somebody answer that.
So yeah, these are a couple of my objectives. So
I wanted to bring everybody's attention to the picture with Sree with her cranberry scoop already.
Yes.
I think that was like on day 2 or day 3.
That's my day too.
Yeah.
Sai, just to hear of everything you've learned and discovered in 18 days, pretty good.
If I remember correctly, I think she actually went out sampling while she was here, house hunting, before she even started.
No,